In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a word cloud text effect, whether it's for a picture or a shape that you want to add a word cloud text effect on. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do that. So to get started, I'll be using an app called Test Shape. You can search for Test Shape. If you go to apps, you can search for Test Shape right inside here, the search bar, and you'll find it. So I already have it open because I recently used it, and here it is. Now this is a default test. I'll be using my own test, so I'll be typing in visual, and then for this one I'll use branding, and then here I'll type in logo, and for this one I'll use design. The number in front of each of these words is the weight of the text. So if you want to increase the weight of any text, just add a number in front of it. So I'll delete the rest of this text and paste in my own. So the text I am using has to do with visual branding. They are just terms in visual branding. So you can use this for your brand, for your niche, whatever niche you're working with. So ensure that you type each word in a separate line, just like this. And then if you want to increase the width of any text, just add a number in front of it. Let's see, this is how it looks. This is a preview of what I just did. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to change the color here. I'm going to use a combination of my brand color and a few other colors in the Canva palette. So I'm just going to choose random colors. Maybe this one. And let's say maybe this, or even this. Then once I'm done selecting my colors, okay, look at what it looks like here. This is it. Now once I'm done selecting my colors, there's an advanced setting here where I can increase the text style and also the spacing. If I want to decrease the spacing, I'll just click on this to decrease the spacing. If I want to increase it, I'll increase it. But I think I like it at okay, let me just increase a little, maybe 12. Let's see what 12 looks like. And this is much better. And then I think that's all. So you can also upload a shape here, upload or select an image in your design if you want to use that as a shape. So I can upload an image here, but that's not what I'm going to show you how you can do that much later with a different app. So with all of this done, what I'm going to do is to just click on add to design. And here it is. I'll increase the text, the shape, duplicate it. The idea is to fill up all the spaces here. So I'll just keep duplicating until I fill up the spaces. And the next thing I'm going to do, now that I've filled up the spaces, the next thing I'm going to do is to download this image. This as an image. I'll download this as an image. So I'll go to my share and download as a PNG. Download it. All right. Now I'll add another page. Let's add another page and then bring in what we just downloaded. Upload it back into Canva. Now to convert this into a shape, we're going to use this app called Shape Cropper. You can also find it in your apps. Just search for Shape Cropper and you'll find this. So this is what the app looks like. Because we have our image selected, it is here inside the preview. So the next thing we will do here is to select the frame we want. So there are different frames. We have basic shapes, we have animals, we have letters, we have numbers and symbols. So let's start with the heart shape. So once you select any shape, it will be showing in your preview. Now to fill up this heart shape, we need to increase the image zoom. So we'll zoom it like this. And when we are satisfied with what we have, we add to design. So this is our shape here. We'll go back to the image. Now we can try for an animal. Let's use this bird here. Then scroll down, zoom in, increase the zoom rather, and then we have this. So click on Add to Design, and here we have it. Cloud text. This is how you can convert your word cloud text into any shape, whether it's an animal shape or just any basic shape at all. I hope you found something valuable in this tutorial. Go ahead and try this and let me see what you get. If you have any question on this tutorial, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to respond to you. Thank you so much and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.